if we treat this disease normally, it will treat us abnormally.
Namba ya arwaru a murimu wa coronavirus guku bururi-ini no ikiririirie kwambata. Umuthi andu 688 magikirwo mukonde. Ino ariyo namba iria nene muno kwandikithia ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24.
Out of that number, 425 are men, while 263 are female. Age-wise, again, we have seen this trend continuing. A 7-month infant, while the oldest is 95.
Gukinyeria riu kaunti ya Nairobi niyo itongoretie na arwaru 7,298 ikirumirirwo ni kaunti ya Mombasa na arwaru 1,812 nayo kaunti ya Kiambu iri ya gatatu na arwaru 725. Riri kaunti ya Tana River ariyo ya ica ikuhi muno gwituranira na kaunti iria ciandikithitie arwaru a murimu.
Tana River County now becomes the latest county to record a case, bringing now to 44 the total number of counties affected so far. Embu County, as I said, has remained fairly safe, and I hope that none of the people I've read are heading towards Embu.
Akiaria hedi ya ishera ria guthurima mehariria kaunti-ini ya Embu, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe augite thengia ya gukorwo kaunti ino itari na namba nene ya arwaru ni imwe ya kaunti iria cikinyanirie muigana wa itada.
I'm very pleased to note that the county government, as has been explained by the governor, has already established over 360 beds in readiness for the management of COVID-19 and an additional 18 ICU beds. And indeed, not only are they ready, it's a great thing to see. It's just well done.
Ona kuhanoro guo aikaria kaunti no matina godo magicukirwo atongoria makinegena muno kumana na unyui wa njohi cia ibango uria wongererekete muno ica ikuhi.
This afternoon, if you went some places, you find fellows enjoying local brews. Wanatwanga kitu yao vizuri inside huko kwa vichaka huko. You know, this is courting death.
That you are not supposed to open a bar. Bars are not opened.
Oho beu jithi makioroto uthuthuria ukionania ati gicunje kia 50 hari igana makoretwo makihuthira mira na muguka ona mateguthingata watho wa kuraihaniriria.
Onoko ni uriaga mira. Uria mira ugiprotectaga murato ucio muriaga nake mira. Tondu mwangia kwimenyerera uririaga mira wi wiki. Tondu acio muriaga na mumira ni magukua. Si ndio? Uririaga mira wiki. Koguo wewe atumira twakui. Uikare haria gakona-ini na kioro ikere gakona karia kangi na kungihote karitigana na mira.
Mutahi ni oritie muingi kuigiririka o mundu akiorio kugitira murunawe niguo kuhota kunyihia gutherema kwa murimu uyu.
Let's just agree that I want to save you, so please save me. I want to save you, so save me. And it is by observing the containment measures that we can be able to do that.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Chitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.